Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 3 by 4 divided 4 by 3. I know it looks simple, but many people fail to solve because they did not apply the correct approach here and they did not know the rule about this. So if you haven't heard about the KCF rule, you should know this, where K stands for key, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So how can we use this rule here? So that means you have to keep the left hand digit like this, 3 by 4, change the symbol division to multiplication and flip the right hand digit. So it becomes 3 by 4. So always remember when there is a division sign between two operations, you can apply the KCF rule. This will help you a lot and reach a correct solution. So 3 times 3 is 9 and 4 times 4 is 16. Simply here. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.